In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find 1Password pricing. If you're thinking about enhancing your digital security with 1Password, knowing the pricing options available is crucial. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other one you typically use. Once you've done that, head over to the 1Password website. The homepage of 1Password is where your journey begins, offering a straightforward navigation experience tailored to guide you to the information you need. As you land on the home page, your eyes should be drawn to the main navigation bar. Here, you'll find several options, but the one we're interested in today is View Plans. This link is usually prominent and should be easy to find. Clicking on this will redirect you to the section dedicated to various subscription choices. Once you're on the plans page, you'll see numerous options categorized under different types of services. Look for the section titled Password Manager. Clicking on this will provide you with more specific details relevant to password management services. This category effectively narrows down the choices to suit individuals or businesses looking primarily for password features. Now, take a moment to assess what you actually need. There are several options to cater to different user needs. The first option you'll come across is the individual plan. This plan is designed for solo users who want to take control of their online safety. It's perfect if you're managing passwords just for yourself and need a straightforward yet robust solution. Next, there's an option for families. If you're thinking about safeguarding not just your own but also your family members' online presence, this might be the way to go. The family plan offers convenience for multiple members, allowing everyone to enjoy secure online experiences without needing separate accounts. For those who are part of a small team or a startup, the Team Starter Pack could be the right fit. It's particularly geared towards smaller groups, providing essential features that support collective security endeavors, perfect for businesses beginning to scale up. Lastly, there's the business plan designed for larger organizations with more complex needs. It encompasses advanced features suitable for handling multiple users and administrative oversight. This plan is ideal if your enterprise requires comprehensive tools for password management and data security. Each of these plans has its own set of benefits tailored to meet unique requirements, so take some time to explore each option thoroughly. By understanding what each plan offers, you can make an informed decision that best suits your personal or professional needs. Navigating through these options ensures you choose the right plan that provides peace of mind in your digital engagements.